Welcome back to the channel. This will be a quick update for Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and DOMA. So starting things off with Bitcoin, we have managed to hold this blue line as support, and we did not have a lower low compared to this low. So this should be a good sign. We did get a lot of volume over here where we had a long green candle which shows some bullish potential, but this could just be traders that are looking for a 10% move to the top of this orange resistance line where they plan to sell over here. But for now, this 50 EMA has been giving Bitcoin resistance. So if we do get up over here, we might expect to see some resistance that drops the price back down. But the more concerning thing for me is that we keep getting a lot of touches down at this blue line, and we have not made any moves up to this orange line. So if we continue bouncing like this, then this would result in a higher likelihood that the price will drop. It will lead to losing this blue line as a support and a drop down, and the key target would be around 42,300, which is where we had this long wick down when everyone was panicking on December 3rd. So right now it seems like a lot of people are on the sideline. They might take small trades like taking a long from here and hoping to sell over here. But I think a lot of people are waiting for another long wick down like this so that they can buy in cheap at the bottom of this wick. And so that is something to keep an eye out for in the coming days to see if we do get this buy opportunity. Now, the reason why I want to talk about Dogecoin is because Elon Musk published a tweet, and it seems like it was just a sarcastic tweet saying that Tesla will make some merge and that people can buy the merge with some Doge. And this led to a significant pump, a 43% pump in just 6 hours. So if we take a look at the TA, this red line has been giving us resistance, and so Elon Musk pushed the price above this resistance, and we are seeing strong sell pressure pushing the price back down. And so this big move up happened at 1 in the morning. So I was obviously sleeping, but when I woke up and I saw everything going on, I ended up taking a short around here. And so my plan is to short it down, hopefully to one of these two price levels. So this is still a trade opportunity. You would be taking a higher risk by opening a short along here, but there is still significant drop left, about 13%. So, and this is like a conservative estimate, so this opportunity is still available for anybody who's waiting on the sideline. Now, I said that I was going to talk about some altcoin setup today, but I don't think that is a good idea because of the current situation with Bitcoin. I think that you should keep your eyes out on Bitcoin and wait for a good opportunity. I would look to short altcoins if Bitcoin touches this orange line, or I would look for longs if Bitcoin comes down to this $42,000 price level, or any wicks that are below this blue line would be an opportunity to open longs. For now, we did get a bounce over here, but it could just be a short-term bounce, and so we want to see how things are going to play out. So if you did buy at the blue line, then you could still wait for a sell opportunity over here or over here. Now for DOMA, we are seeing some signs of a potential reversal. We have this green candle over here, and we also have an RSI that is below 30, which is a signal that it's a great area to buy. But one thing to keep in mind is that we had a very low RSI over here back in July of 30. This RSI was 1.08, and this is the lowest RSI that I have ever seen on any chart. So even though we are at 30, and 30 is usually a great buy opportunity, given that this RSI is just 1.08, there could still be a lot more downside here, where we want to see this RSI to still remain above this one, but because this one is so low, this one still has a lot more room to go down. It's sitting around 29, 28, so it could still go down by as much as 25, 26 RSI values down lower. So that would cause the price to go down lower too. But if this is showing a sign of reversal over here, one potential move would be a move up to the bottom of this white line, and then getting rejected and then continuing to drop further. So because this white line has given us strong support that has held the price up, it now turns into strong resistance over here that will keep the price down. So that's something to keep an eye out for in the upcoming days to see if we do get that type of reaction. The other scenario is that we do get a bounce from here and we climb back into this trade region, and we continue with our pattern and make a move up over here. I also want to reiterate one more thing. Over here we went above this white line, and so because there was a lot of sell pressure from over here, it is very common that we, in the opposite direction, we also break the other support area and go below. So because we went above over here, we also go below over here. So this is a good sign for a potential reversal over here and a move to continue moving up here. And the way that we would confirm that is to get a daily candle that closes above this white line, and that would give us confirmation that we are climbing back onto this white line, and we'll move up. So I will keep giving updates and we'll see how things play out. Now I will be posting the charts for Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and DOMA into the description of this video. So if you want to track the price movement along my chart, you can click on that link in the description and just follow along. If you click the play button, it will show you how the price is reacting in real time on these charts.